If someone had asked me what love was before, I wouldn't know what to say exactly. But now I do. You are the strongest, brightest, and funniest person I ever met, and I promise you'll have my strength when life feels too heavy. You have my creativity when life outsmarts you. You'll have my witty jokes when life makes you sad.
Every year, I love you more, and I promise to continue loving you. You are my guiding star, and I can't wait to become your wife.